Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy. We're going to do another episode of the Addicted Motors auction review series. Now, I got my wisdom teeth taken out today, so hurting a little bit. Also, haven't made one of these in a while. Been very busy again. Filming other actual videos, rescuing the $500 D1, trying to do some restoration work on the Freelander, pull the headliner out, fixing a door regulator, a lot of stuff. It just piles up. I'm also in the midst of a move and a few other things. So yeah, it's going to be a busy summer. So bear with me on the frequency of these videos. But let's talk about this holy grail, right? California truck. So let's just throw rust off the table. Let's just assume it doesn't have rust. '04, green, whatever the green is, D2. So an '04 D2, it's 4.6. It's got a center locking diff. It's got 67,000 miles. It's a trade-in at a Volvo dealer, which is kind of suspicious, though, honestly. It's bid, 2 owners, salvage title. So what are you willing to risk to achieve the ultimate old school disco experience? You can throw a lot. You can throw a lot on the line here. Shipping to the East Coast, $1,800, and I'm realizing as I'm scrolling through this, there's only 8 pictures to decide your fate. I was kind of in until I realized that it had the salvage title, which that is, if you're buying it for yourself, not that big of a deal. These things are an easy write-off due to how old they are and the lack of value or proper evaluations by an insurance agency for whatever reason. So these pictures that are not going to give us a whole lot to go off of besides that it's green, it's missing some plastic pieces. I don't know, is it an airborne front license plate with some cracked plastic? All this is fine. All this can be repaired. All this can be brought back around. But the fact that it has that salvage total loss title really takes it off the table for that bring a trailer resale value. But if you're looking for the baseline overland off-road rig, an '04 with a 4.6, low mileage, center diff lock, good interior, okay paint, this is pretty good. I personally don't think I would like to buy this truck for $5,500, but therefore there's no bids. That means it'll be reposted at a lower rate. This is a dealer just listing it in their back lot. It's not actually at the auction. You could wait, and it could go to the auction where you could definitely snag it for cheaper. It was salvage title trade-in. They probably got it for $1,000. I bet you get it for $2,000. That's just how this game works. Recently, I bought a Mercedes for $6,000 that I realized after I talked to the owner, the previous owner, to the one that from the dealership that bought it, they bought it for $3,000. So I thought I got a deal. He thought he got a deal. So that's just how this works. Really, that's all there is as far as the pictures are concerned. There's not a whole lot of information. I just thought it was interesting because of the low mileage and whatnot. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, whether you blow your load on this risky green disco. If you're in California, maybe not the end of the world, but I'd suck to eat $1,800 worth of shipping to find out that it needs a head gasket. And obviously 3 amigos and all that kind of stuff could be a dead battery, easily remedied. But who knows? Like I said, don't have a whole lot to go off in this one. But, you know, if you're feeling squirrely, not really the worst thing you could buy, especially with a potentially rust-free California truck. Run a Carfax, do your due diligence before you dive into this world, and you might be rewarded or screwed. See you in the next one.